Product accessories. Installation software. Insert the USB flash drive into your computer's USB port. Drag the zip file from the USB flash drive to the desktop. Decompress the zip file. Open the folder after decompression is complete. Select the exe file format to open into the emulator. Connect to your computer. Open the cover on top of the joystick. Connect one end of the cable to your computer. Connect the other end to the remote control. Long press to turn on the remote control. Function explanation. After entering the simulator interface, you need to calibrate the joystick first. Use the knob on the joystick to align the center ball as shown in the software. Center the two joysticks and click OK. After clicking OK, pull the joystick to the specified direction according to the instruction and click the OK button. Center the joysticks and confirm when calibration is complete. On the left side, from high to low, the picture quality is high and low respectively. Adjustment can be made according to your computer's configuration. Slide left and right to adjust the volume. In the center, you can choose from 6 scenarios according to your preference. Click to enter the map. Click on the upper left corner to switch modes. Beginners are recommended to choose the green self-stabilizing mode. Click to switch the viewpoint of the traverser. Click to restore default settings. Operation demonstration. Left stick up and down to control the airplane's rise and fall. Right stick up and down to control the airplane's pitch. Right stick left and right control the airplane's tilt. Both sides of the joystick at the same time left and right control the airplane's turn.